How to generate posters with Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can generate posters with Leonardo AI. So for that we will simply go to ChatGPT, because if you want to create best poster you need to get help from ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT. Here we will tell simply ChatGPT about our idea, and we will tell that we want to generate poster using Leonardo AI. So simply make a prompt from our idea. So after that ChatGPT will give us prompt. So simply we will copy that prompt, and once we copy that prompt we will simply go to Leonardo AI app. So I will simply click on Leonardo AI app. Once you click here you guys will see generate. So simply click on generate. Now for posters you guys will see lucid origin dynamics. So simply click on lucid origin. Here you guys will see nano banana or other things, but we will simply scroll. Once we scroll you guys will see graphic design. So simply click on graphic design. After that you guys will simply paste your prompt, and once you paste your prompt simply click on that arrow, and your poster design will be start generating, and it will be generated in some seconds. That's how you guys can generate posters in Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching.